I'm trying to figure out exactly how Inset Absolute works. So I got a face selection, and I'm gonna click Inset, and I have some options. I got the left, the middle. I want the left one. I want to inset each face inside a selected face. So left. Now I'm looking at the help text at the bottom of the screen, and all the way over to the right in the bottom it says scale by shortest vector 1, 2, 3. But I know there's more options than the 1, 2, and the 3, and that's my basic complaint at this time. I know there's a 5. Presumably there's a 4, but I know there's a 5. For instance, I'm going to hit the 5 key here, and see what happened. It says percent, doesn't it? After I hit the 5 key. Now I'm moving in and out. It says percent, right? Make sure you remember that it says percent. So I'm going to hit the tab key. And you don't see any percent symbol up here, do you? That's because the help text, I believe, is switched for this. And I don't mean to grumble over something small. We should just go ahead and fix. But I have a larger question of, well, if we're going to fix that, shouldn't we maybe try to simplify the whole process here just a little bit more? Maybe we can discuss it and figure out how to make it simpler. So anyhow, I'm going to put 0.3 in here. There. Now, I thought each edge was 1 long. Let me put 0.5 in there. Well, that's interesting. Maybe the edges aren't 1 unit long. I'm going to say OK. Now I'm going to come back up here and select an edge. Length. Oh, the length is 1. So why isn't that inset? Wow. Why didn't that inset go all the way into the middle? Let me undo that a little bit. Inset. I wonder if I can change that to, if I hit 4, if I hit 5 again, if I hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now see the percent has changed in the upper left hand corner. It's now 18%, 12.16%. Let's see. That's 100%. So it's in percent mode clearly. So now I'm going to hit the 5 again. Oh, okay, I hit the 5. Shoot, it toggled out. Let me try that one more time. So 5, hit the 5. Okay. Look at upper left. The percent is gone. It just jumped right back into percent mode. That's interesting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now it's not in percent mode. It's sticking into what presumably would be the absolute distance mode. I think the distance calculation might also be wrong. Let me see. Let me try going all the way into the middle. So if I go all the way into the middle, let me go close. Let's click. Length is 0.8. I think the distance calculation is also off. Something weird about the absolute numbers being displayed is also weird. Mike, yes, I hope you can join me and we'll think about whether this is working optimally. I really don't think it is. I think there's something really weird going on in a couple of cases here, especially if you want to do absolute. Hope you enjoyed the show.